As you can see, it's a size difference. Now, if you were here, you can actually feel a difference. Women have said that the leading brand right here feels kind of rough and coarse against their skin, where sometimes they even have to put a tissue or something over it when they're on their cycle so it doesn't cause them a rash or some irritation. Whereas the Cherish brand, they say it feels smooth and silky like velvet. Now, here are 2 cups of water. I put some blue food coloring in them so you can see them better. And as you can see, they both have the same amount of liquid in it. Now, when Inspired Network founders were putting the company together, they talked to several OBGYNs, the gynecologists, and other medical professionals, and discovered that women, when they're on their cycle, will flow anywhere between 15 to 50 milliliters per day. So this is 50 milliliters in each one of these cups. Okay? So what we're going to simulate is that each one of these women had to wear these pads for a full 8 hours without changing. Ladies, we know that you change more often than that. This is for demonstration purposes, but you know sometimes things arise, you feel the flow, and you can't get to the restroom to change. So more time goes by than you would like. So you end up having to wear it longer than you would wish. So those things do happen. Things arise. You may be stuck in a meeting and you can't get out, and the meeting goes on and on and on, and you're sitting there and you're feeling uncomfortable because you can feel it. So again, I'm going to show you one more time. They both have 50 milliliters in it. And we do understand that some women's flow is heavier and some women's flow is lighter. So this is the leading brand, brand X. We're going to pour 50 milliliters on brand X. And like I said, this is going to represent this lady having to wear this all day long. She's a really busy woman. We're going to take the other 50 milliliters and pour it on the Cherish by Inspired Network. She's also a busy lady. Things come up. Now I'm going to start telling you why, when I saw this, I saw the same demonstration that you're looking at right now, why I became so passionate about this. The leading brands that are out there now that women learn how to use from their mothers, from their grandmothers, these are potentially causing women harm and they don't even know about it. You know, during that time of the month when women say they feel irritable, or the guys want to stay, the significant other want to stay away from the women because they say she's having mood swings and things like that. When this is being produced, being manufactured, it gives off chemical, just like the glue I mentioned to you earlier, it gives off a chemical residue. So you're actually fighting a chemical warfare every 28 days when you have to wear these and you're not even aware of it. And people say, well, you know, it's just some fumes and a little bit of chemicals. It can't bother you. Yes, it can. I can tell you why. The reason it can bother you is when it's touching your skin. Anything that touches your skin can go back into your bloodstream. And people don't think that's true. It is true. Think about people who are smokers and they get on that patch, you know, that nicotine patch. Where do they put the patch? They don't put the patch in their mouth. No, they don't. They put it somewhere on their skin, and the nicotine or the nicotine derivative or whatever it is sinks into their skin and slowly releases. So when this is giving off those harmful chemicals, it is going back into your system. That is something that you want to be aware of because it could potentially be causing some problems. And Cherish does not give off any chemical residue. What I'm going to show you right now is we're going to do a wet dry test. Got 2 napkins right here. As you can see, both of them are dry. Okay. This is the leading brand, brand X. I'm going to take it and place the napkin on brand X, and I'm going to press lightly.